Oh wait, since this is also going to be YouTube, do people introduce themselves on YouTube?
I don't think so.
Okay, so we're just like long friends. I feel like
wait, why?
is needed.
I don't think you have to. You just get to the point and be like, this is what I got.
If we decide to have bloopers, this is a good blooper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hi y'all, we're new YouTubers and we don't know what we're doing.
Wait, this is for YouTube?
Yeah, I want to make this. I want to use it for both, for YouTube and for Amazon Influencer, because I feel like people I looked up on YouTube, you looked up on YouTube.
Yeah. Alright, I don't know what we're doing. That's what I'm just like. I guess go with it and see. I'll just see what you was thinking.
Okay, let's introduce ourselves.
Why do we have to do I don't think we have to
I'm just used to it. We're recording. Let's do it. Hey y'all, Rachel here.
And Ariel here.
And so I went ahead and got these DJI mics. This comes with a pack of 2 and 1 battery. We live in a 700 square foot condo, which is like Echo Central. And so right now I'm just recording from my iPhone. And whenever I use my iPhone's audio, it's very echoey. It sucks. Listening back to it, I can hear like 3 of myself. It's really annoying. So I wanted to try to cancel a lot of the noise happening in the background. Also, this is good timing. One of the heaters outside my condo.
Yeah, the HVAC outside's constantly just rumbling around. So like the whole idea was to basically get something to eliminate as much noise as possible. This DJI mic right here basically comes with 2 what is it? I already forgot the name of it. But 2 microphones and also a transmitter or receiver. So here we go. We got 2 microphones and then the transmitter, is that what that's called? I don't remember. I'm bad at this. Oh, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So pretty much what I like about this also is that we're using an iPhone to record everything, so you can easily just attach this. It's already got the piece to attach with the lightning port right into the iPhone. Also, it's got the Type-C adapter also if you want to do that. And then if you're gonna be using a camera like a DSLR or something like that, it also comes with the hot shoot or cold shoot adapter that you can easily just put on and slap it right onto the receiver and then plug it all in. But that's a whole nother video. Other than that, I mean, this is pretty handy. I like the whole box. It reminds me of like AirPods Pros, but I think it's pretty solid, by the way.
Why don't we pull out one of the mics?
Yeah. How does this go, man? Was it just that snug in there again? Oh, there we go. That works. And then we got one of the mics right here. Pretty small. It's got a magnet on the back also, which is awesome. Easily just attach it to your, it's a strong magnet, but you know, you can put it right on your shirt. Hangs in perfectly. Same time you can take it off, put it on reverse, put it on the inside just to hide it a little bit better.
And you can get creative with it. I don't like actually wearing the magnet. So earlier, this is a tablecloth. We literally just attached it to the tablecloth and went ahead and recorded with that, and it sounded great.
Yep. I guess we're gonna switch over to the microphone so you can hear the difference.
Yeah, so part of this video is we're going to do half of the video with my iPhone audio. So right now, iPhone audio, make sure you're listening and paying attention to the quality. And then we're going to switch over to the DJI audio and see if we can tell the difference. So let's go ahead and do that switch. I don't have to like press both of them, right?
No, it's already on. You're already recording. It's fine.
Okay.
All right, so now I basically, on the audio, the DJI mic, we got 2 of them. So then you can see that she's got her microphone over here, and you can definitely hear the difference. And the cool thing is on the receiver, you can actually see your levels as you're recording. Like, it's literally just connected straight to the iPhone at this point. And then the other cool little feature that I found out, that you can hit record on the actual microphone, as in, like, if you're on the iPhone and instead of you going and physically touching on the screen to start recording, there's a little button on the side that's like the link button, and that actually records right away. Like, it's a fancy, on and off button pretty much.
Yeah, it makes it, if you're in the middle of a scene and you're recording, you don't have to stop what you're doing to start and stop the scene. You can do it all from here. And then another cool thing is that it is supposed to cancel like background noise. Unfortunately, the HVAC just turned off, so we won't be able to test that. I'm crossing my fingers hoping it turns back on, which we never do. But it cancels background noise, and that is exactly what we need.
Yeah, it focuses more basically on like it being right next to you and not focusing on the iPhone pretty much. And then the other cool thing is, like, right now, I'm going to put it under my shirt and with the fancy magnet and see if the audio is still pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's a smart idea. Let's test it in different scenarios. So a lot of people do hide it underneath their shirts. What does the quality sound like? Does it sound the same?
Yeah, and then right now it seems like it's for me, it's discreet. I can easily just put on a black shirt, and then the only thing you're gonna see is like a sprinkling, because it's not too heavy, but you can hide it a little bit.
Yeah, and you can also, there's a green light on it. There is a setting to turn it off. So if you are hiding it in your shirt, like, I'm pretty sure if I put it in my shirt right now, it would be glowing because of the green. You can turn that on to make it less noticeable.
Yeah.
Curious, let's test the quality. Okay, it's in my shirt now. Oh, yeah, you can see it weighs it down a little bit, but that's fine. You just wear the appropriate shirt. Let's see. We'll watch back and see how it sounds.
Yeah, other than that, yeah, I think it's pretty good. All right.
Okay, we should come up with a way to end it. Just like, how should we end it?
I definitely recommend this DJI, honestly, because this is pretty simple, straightforward. I mean, it's plug and play. Like, if you're trying to get into the world of, content creator or reviewing anything, microphones are always like a plus. Like, when it comes to, I guess, making videos, you want to have a proper audio on it. And this is a simple, easy, quick solution, honestly.
Yeah, think about how times have changed. Now a majority, well, maybe not a majority, but a good percentage of people watching and listening online, they now have AirPods, some kind of headphones in their ears. They're not sitting at home always watching from the computer or the TV, what have you. They're plugged in. They have you in their ears. So if your audio quality is bad or has like an annoying humming in the background, people don't want to hear that right in their ears. They're going to skip to the next video that has better audio quality. So once upon a time, you could get away with like just having decent lighting, but your audio was poor. Now you can't. You need good audio as well. So this helps to alleviate people just skipping over your videos because of the fact that your audio is bad.
Yep. Like I said, highly recommend it. Go out, get on these microphones, basically.
All right, well, I hope you liked our little test. We'll play it back. Let us know if you hear the difference. Comment down below. Let us know what you think. Do you use any types of mics, or what do you recommend? This is brand new for us. We're just getting in this world, so let us know what you think. Bye, y'all.
See ya.